Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into error code P0309. We'll explore what it means, its causes, and possible solutions. So, buckle up, grab your toolkit, and let's get this tricky problem sorted out together.
Alright folks, let's break down this error code P0309. It means your car's computer has detected a misfire in cylinder number 9. When you have a misfire, combustion isn't happening properly in that cylinder. This can happen for a whole bunch of reasons, and we're gonna go through them one by one.
Now let's get down to brass tacks and talk about the usual suspects when it comes to error code P0309. This error code is often associated with a misfire in cylinder number 9, and there are several potential causes for this issue. One of the most common culprits is a faulty spark plug. Spark plugs are essential for igniting the air-fuel mixture in the engine, and if they are worn out or damaged, they can cause misfires. Next up, we've got ignition coils. If they're on the fritz, you're gonna have a bad time. Ignition coils are responsible for converting the battery's voltage to the high voltage needed to create a spark in the spark plugs. And then we've got fuel injectors. If they get clogged or start leaking, you're gonna have a fuel delivery problem. Fuel injectors are crucial for delivering the right amount of fuel to the engine's cylinders. It's like trying to make a cake with a clogged frosting tip. Not gonna end well. Just as a baker needs a clear frosting tip to decorate a cake properly, your engine needs clean and functional components to run smoothly. So, how do you know if you're dealing with error code P0309? Well, besides that little check engine light glaring at you from the dashboard, there are a few telltale signs. Your car might start idling rough, like it's about to shake itself apart. You might also notice poor acceleration or even a loss of power. And to top it all off, you might start seeing your gas mileage go down the drain. Now for the good part, fixing this mess. When your car throws a P0309 error code, it can be daunting, but don't worry. There are several steps you can take to diagnose and fix the issue yourself. The good news is that many of the solutions for error code P0309 are relatively simple and inexpensive. You don't always need to rush to a mechanic and spend a fortune. First things first, check those spark plugs. They are often the culprits behind misfires. If they're worn out or fouled, replace them. Spark plugs are relatively cheap and easy to replace, making this a great first step. If the spark plugs look good, move on to the ignition coils. These are crucial for delivering the spark that ignites the fuel in your engine. Testing them requires a bit more know-how, but it's still something you can do at home with the right tools. You can find plenty of guides online to help you through the process. And finally, if you've ruled out spark plugs and ignition coils, it's time to take a look at those fuel injectors. They play a vital role in delivering fuel to your engine. Cleaning them can sometimes do the trick. Fuel injectors can get clogged over time, affecting performance. It's a bit more involved, but hey, we're mechanics now, aren't we? With a little patience and the right approach, you can tackle the P0309 error code and get your car running smoothly again. Now, wouldn't it be great if we could avoid this whole error code P0309 mess altogether? This error can be quite a headache, but with some simple steps, you can keep your car in top shape and avoid it entirely. Well, the good news is that preventative maintenance is your best friend when it comes to keeping your car running smoothly. Regular checkups with a trusted mechanic can catch potential issues before they become major problems. Stick to a regular maintenance schedule and don't cheap out on parts. Using quality parts ensures that your car performs optimally and reduces the risk of unexpected breakdowns. Using high-quality fuel and fluids can make a big difference in the long run. Premium products help maintain engine health and efficiency, which can prevent error codes like P309. Pay attention to your car. Regularly check the dashboard for warning lights and listen for any unusual sounds. If you notice any weird noises, smells, or performance issues, don't ignore them. Addressing these signs early can save you from costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car repair tips and tricks. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, happy wrenching!
Não se esqueçam de curtir, comentar e se inscrever no canal para mais dicas e tutoriais automotivos.